Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share some of my favorite argan oil based products which are from Indian brands. Most of these are hair products. So if you love argan oil and if you're interested in knowing some argan oil based products, then please keep on watching. So let me first start this video by telling what argan oil is and why I love it so much. So this oil is produced from the kernels of argan tree and this oil is native to the country Morocco. So it comes from there originally, and there are various uses of this oil, especially people in that country. They use this oil the most because of course it's produced there. It will be cheaper there, but here it tends to be expensive. So yeah, it can be used in food, skin, hair. Most people here use it for their skin and hair. It has essential nutrients, fatty acids, and also health benefits if you're eating it, and it's really good for skin and hair, which I will talk about in some time. I found out about argan oil like around 5-6 years back, and I got obsessed with it because I read so much about argan oil and I thought it's too good to be true. So whenever I see any product having argan oil, I get so tempted to buy it because I genuinely like what it has done to my hair and skin, and I would highly recommend you to get argan oil if you love hair oils or face oils. So argan oil is called liquid gold. I mean, it looks also gold, but mostly because of its valuable properties, because it's really good, right? It can be used in various different ways. That's why it's called liquid gold. And yeah, I love argan oil. So now that you know how much I love argan oil, let's get started with the products. Today's comment shout out goes to Priyanka. Thank you so much for the comment. So let me first start by sharing pure argan oil, and then we'll move on to argan oil based products. So this is pure argan oil. So the first product I have here is the Wishcare 100% pure Moroccan argan oil, and this is cold pressed. So this is 100% pure, natural. There are no other ingredients in this, and this is by the brand Wishcare. So I really like the tagline of this: "You wish, we care." So yeah, this is an Indian brand. They recently sent me this and I've been trying out since a few days. It's not a sponsored video, but I really love this. You can even use it for your skin. It has this nutty kind of smell. So argan oil has antioxidant and inflammatory properties, so you can apply it on your skin and you can see amazing results. If you have watched my how I cleared my acne video, I have raved so much about argan oil and face oils in general, but then I kind of corrected myself in the comments because I said in that video that you need to apply face oil, like it's compulsory, but it's not compulsory. Slowly I learned that face oil definitely is good for skin, but it's not a necessity. So these days I'm not much into face oils. I do like to apply it in winter when even my moisturizers are not enough for my dry skin. That time I love to use face oils. Yeah, I occasionally use face oils, but not as much I used to use earlier. So this I mainly use for my hair. Even this has a little bit information about argan oil. Even this says it has fatty acids and vitamin E, so really good for skin. Argan oil is really lightweight. It's not like coconut oil. Coconut oil is comedogenic. This is not comedogenic. It means that oil's property to really clog your pores. So if you apply coconut oil, it's going to clog your pores and you might get acne as a result of that. But argan oil is a very lightweight oil, so you can definitely use it for your skin and it's not gonna clog your pores. So I love to apply argan oil for my hair. Whenever I blow dry my hair straight, and whenever you use heat on your hair, it just it dries out your hair basically. So in the end, as a finishing product, I just take a little bit of argan oil, like 2-3 drops or even 1 drop. I spread it on my palms and I apply it on the ends, and it makes such a huge difference. It makes my hair so soft to the touch. So if you have dry hair, you can even apply it on the lengths of your hair, and it makes such a huge difference, and it's not gonna look greasy. Of course, if you add too much, it might look greasy because it's an oil, but if you apply a little bit of it, it just tames down your frizz and it looks so soft. And if you have curly hair, you can use this argan oil for SOTC, like when you scrunch out the gel couch, you can take a little bit of oil. I like to apply this oil on my second or third day hair when my hair starts to get a little dry. I even used it yesterday to massage my scalp, and today I washed my hair. Before this, I had never massaged my scalp, like I had, but I used to take very tiny because I had like very little argan oil, and argan oil tends to be expensive. But this has 100 ml, which will last you for very long. So that's why I used it on my scalp as well. I felt so rich. The next argan oil I want to talk about is by Scent Botanica. This was my first argan oil purchase. I told you sometime back, right, that I researched about it 5-6 years back. So after researching, I came to know about this Scent Botanica's argan oil, and I read good reviews about it. That time the packaging was different. I'll attach a picture if I can find one. Now the packaging is different. I hope the formula is the same. I mean, it's not like a formula, right? It's just pure cold pressed oil. So I hope it works the same. And it contains 50 ml of product and got over really fast. I mainly used it for my skin, and in the end, like whatever little oil was left, I used it on my hair and I saw a huge difference. It was so soft. I did not use it mostly for my hair because it was just a small chotu bottle and I did not want to waste it by applying on my hair. So I used to use it mainly for my skin only. The next oil is by Nykaa. Even Nykaa has cold pressed argan oil. Even that works great. I mean, all these oils are pure cold pressed, right? So I can't really say this oil works differently because all are same. But the Nykaa one is just 30 ml. So if you're going to buy an argan oil, I would highly recommend you to get this one because this is 100 ml and it's really good for the price you're paying. The next category is shampoo and conditioner. These are again by Wishcare. They sent it to me along with the oil. And first let's talk about the shampoo. The name is Argan Biotin Shampoo and it's free from sulfates and parabens. And argan oil is pretty high in the ingredient list and it does not cause much foam. There's very little foam. I've used it today. I've used both the conditioner and shampoo today, and even being a sulfate free shampoo, it really cleansed that oil off. Also, argan oil is really lightweight, so it is very easy to remove as well, and it has pretty runny consistency and it has very mild smell. It's a unique smell, can't really explain it, but it's very mild. It's not overpowering. So yeah, I like this shampoo and of course argan oil, so I like everything with argan oil. I really like all these tips they have written. Water saving tips says you can save up to 50 gallons of water during a 10-minute shower. Like even the conditioner has something written on it. All their bottles are made of recycled material, so meaning this is the first time I'm using this brand. I did not know about this brand. I need to search for more Indian brands. I really want to support them, and if you follow the CG method, you can use this. This is CG friendly. Next, let's talk about this conditioner. This is the Argan Vanilla Conditioner. Again, this has very mild smell. It's mostly of vanilla. It's a really nice smell, but very mild again, not overpowering. And again, this is free from sulfate, silicone, paraben and all that stuff. So if you're following the curly girl method, this is CG friendly. This conditioner is kind of runny. I usually prefer my conditioners to be really thick, which gives me a lot of slip, but this conditioner did not give me enough slip. It was pretty runny, and I think it has more of protein because my hair still felt a bit dry. So if you have low porosity hair or if you have like straight hair, you don't want a lot of conditioner, then I think this is great. But if you have very frizzy, very curly and high porosity hair, then this conditioner might not be enough for you. I mean, you can use it as your everyday conditioner, but it doesn't give that deep conditioning, really moisturizing feel. That's what I feel. The next shampoo and conditioner I want to talk about is by Curl Up. I really wanted to mention Curl Up because I love that brand. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know how much I rave about it. Their entire line has argan oil. It's not very high in the ingredient list, but it still has argan oil, right? And those products have worked amazing for me. The shampoo is amazing. It's runny. It cleanses your scalp pretty well. The smell is amazing. If you're looking for a good CG friendly line, I feel Curl Up is great. Even the conditioner gives amazing slip. I love their products. I even have their leave-in cream. This is my second bottle. I love this so much. If you're looking for a good curl cream and if you're a beginner, you can go for this. It is a curl cream, so you don't need a gel to really hold. This cream has holding properties. I have a separate review video and also a demo using the product, so you can check that out if you're interested in knowing more about these products. The next conditioner I want to talk about is by Scent Botanica. Even they have an argan oil based conditioner, and I love that conditioner. I've talked about it in my curly hair routine. It gives amazing slip. It's very moisturizing. It contains protein as well, but it's a balance of both protein and moisture, so I never feel my hair dry and frizzy after using it. It worked perfectly for my hair. The next one I want to talk about is a hair mask. This is by Mamaearth. This is the Mama Sorry, this is the Mamaearth Argan hair mask. Now there are many mixed reviews about this all over the internet. For some people it doesn't work, for some people it works amazing. Yeah, every product works differently on each hair. You can't really blame a product for that. But I personally have loved this so much. This is my second tub. I finished my first tub. I have talked about it again in my curly hair routine, and I feel this is such a thick mask, perfect for curly, frizzy, dry hair. If you have straight hair, it might be too moisturizing, but if you have dry hair, it is amazing. Deep conditioning. It again has a perfect balance of protein and moisture. I did not know about this protein moisture balance before. I used to just concentrate on moisture. I thought like hair just needs moisture. I had heard like of that term protein moisture balance, but I never really cared about it and never bothered to know what it is. But a few months back I learned more about it, and right now I'm researching more about it, so you can expect a video on that soon because I got a lot of requests. That's why I'm researching, because I like to research a topic well before I make a video. And if you have watched my curly hair routine, I have talked about plum hair mask as well, and I said that it was not moisturizing enough. It made my hair dry, like my hair still felt dry after using it, but that was because it's mainly protein based mask. It does not have enough moisture, so you have to balance it out with some other product. So that I came to know after knowing about protein moisture balance. So yeah, you have to choose a product according to your needs. So if you're mainly looking for protein, then you can go for plum hair mask. It doesn't have argan oil, I'm just sharing it. But if you want like more of moisture, then this is great. And it's not like only moisture, it has protein as well, so this works really well, at least for me. So these were all the Indian products. I want to talk about one more product which is not an Indian brand, but since we are talking about argan oil based product, I wanted to talk about it. This is by OGX. It says argan oil of Morocco, but this is not an argan oil. I really wanted to mention that because it says it is argan oil, but it's a serum, and I wanted to share this because I read a few reviews about this before I bought it. I saw a lot of people raving about it, and one of the reviews said that it works so great for my skin, and it's not supposed to be used for your skin. This is only for hair. This is a hair serum. I'm sure most of you know it already. It is very heavy on the silicones and other chemicals, and it has very little of argan oil. So if you're planning to buy it thinking it's pure argan oil, then don't. If you're looking for a good serum, then this is great. I use it after I blow dry my hair, and it gives a nice shine. It makes my hair soft. This is the first serum I have liked actually. All other hair serums doesn't work on my dry hair, but this serum worked really well. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share, that this is a serum, not an oil. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below if I should do more of such videos, like talking about all the products. And if you're really interested, I can do more of such videos talking about my favorites, or like monthly favorites or similar videos. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. I upload new videos every Saturday and Wednesday, and this is my new schedule now, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.